Happy spooky season, guys. It's Unusual Jazz, and I'm going to show you how to go from normal to sad vintage clown. Now let's get started. So the first step of this look is to get ready to block your brows. So I'm using washable school glue and Mehron's setting powder. Once your brows are all glued down, you're going to want to go in with Mehron brush 816 with that setting powder until the brows are no longer tacky. Next, we're going to get that beautiful white base using Mehron's Clown White Makeup and the same brush from before. Now, you don't need to use a lot of this makeup. As you can see, it's very opaque. Now we're going to use a sponge and the same setting powder from before to set our base. Next, we're going to add some color using Mehron's Intense Pressed Pigment in the shade Hot Pink. I'm using brush 814 to build that initial base shape for the eyes and my fingers to blend it out. Next, I'm going in with brush 812 and Clown White to carve out the crease so that you have a nice clean cut crease for this look. Switching back over to brush 814, and with that hot pink, we're going in and adding all the pink details for our clown look. Picking up brush 810 and Paradise Makeup AQ in black, which is a water-based, very versatile paint. We're going to use this as an eyeliner and as a base for the lips. So you leave the center of the lips kind of open so you can go in with the Clown White and the hot pink to create this ombre lip. Decided to go back in with the Paradise Makeup AQ to add some black details around the face and the brows. Our clown needs some tears, so we're gonna create some tears out of the Rhinestones from the AdGem kit, which comes with a great latex-free adhesive for you. And I just use a pair of tweezers to apply them. And that's it. Just add a few simple accessories and your vintage sad clown look is complete. Happy Halloween, spookies! I can't wait to see you all recreate this look.